Blocking someone on TikTok in the 2026 update is a simple process, but the app layout may look slightly different depending on your device or recent updates. If you want to stop someone from viewing your profile, interacting with your videos, or sending messages, you can do it directly from their profile page. Opening the TikTok applications and make sure you are logged into your account. Then use the search bar or your followers list to find the person you want to block. Once you reach their profile, take a moment to confirm it is the correct account, especially if there are similar usernames. Next, look at the top right corner of their profile screen. You will see a share icon, usually represented by an arrow pointing outward. Tap on it, and a menu will slide up from the bottom of the screen. This menu contains several options like sharing the profile, reporting, or saving links. From this list, select the block option. TikTok will then show a confirmation message explaining what blocking means, such as preventing the user from commenting, messaging, or viewing your content. Tap P block again to confirm your decision. Once confirmed, the user is immediately blocked. They will no longer be able to interact with your account, and you will also be removed from their followers list if they were following you. If you ever change your mind, you can unblock them later from your privacy settings under the blocked accounts section.